Welcome to Open House!
Hello everyone, and welcome to LSU School of Veterinary Medicine. My name is Callie Henderson, and I am a first-year student of the class of 2024. When I graduate, I would like to work in a mixed animal practice.
And I'm Cameron Howard. I'm also a member of the DVM class of 2024. When I graduate, I want to be an equine doctor. In fact, today we're going to be talking to you about something that makes horses and donkeys very unique.
Before we get started, we'd like to ask everyone a few questions just to see how much you already know. Can you point to your kneecap? Good. In medicine, we call that the patella.
And what about your hip joint? Do you know where that's at? If so, move it all around. Perfect. That joint is called the coxofemoral joint, and it's a ball and socket type of joint, which is why you can move it all around. Horses also have this coxofemoral joint. Isn't that cool how many similarities there are between humans like us and animals such as the horse?
That's right, we have a lot in common with our four-legged friends, but here's one thing we don't have in common. Horses have ligaments in their legs that help them lock their joints in place in order to carry their weight with minimal effort. We call this the passive stay apparatus. This is also why horses can stand while sleeping.
That's so cool. Today we're going to be looking at this specimen from a real horse's hind leg. We've removed the muscles and replaced them with springs in order to show you this passive stay apparatus. For example, this spring represents the quadriceps femoris muscle, which plays a role in this apparatus, and it's found on the front part of the hind leg.
So when the horse is not putting weight on its leg, this joint right here called the stifle joint, which is similar to your knee joint, and this joint right here, which is the hock joint, which is similar to your ankle joint, move together to either flex or extend. When the horse wants to rest its leg, it can pull the patella up and inward to lock it in place. With the patella locked in place like this, the stifle joint and the hock joint are unable to bend due to the reciprocal apparatus. See, I can't even bend it.
So the horse can stand on one leg like this while resting the other leg, and then it can switch to rest the other leg.
Isn't that cool? I wish I could stand for hours without getting tired.
Me too. We hope you had fun learning about the awesome adaptation that horses have, and if you have any questions, please let us know.